Hola, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your first time stopping by. I am Minami Extra, a YouTuber based in Manchester, UK. And on this channel, we have all the good stuff. So if it's your first time stopping by, grab a seat, popcorn, wine, champagne, anything to make you feel at home, and click on the subscribe button to join this amazing family. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I was able to install this beautiful bob wig. Let's get into this video. Now let's get to the star of the show, the main event. So as you guys saw from the thumbnail, I'll be showing you guys how to install this bob wig from Jolie Amina. The wig came in a satin lined bag and it came with lots of goodies. I love me some goodies and I'm sure you love it too. This is what the wig is looking like straight out of the box, and if I do say so myself, this wig, the texture is soft. It looks like it has been straightened already, like you can literally wear it straight out of the pack. It also came with a cute note from the owner, which I love so much. I love brands that pay attention to detail. So this is what the wig looks like. I just tried it on so you guys can see. The lace is a transparent lace wig, but you could also get the wig as an HD lace or any of that. So the first thing, do well to cut off the extra lace at the back. The next step is to use your powder shade, one that is very close to your skin tone, to apply it on the lace. You can also use a lace tint at this point. So I did apply the powder shade to the stocking cap and also to the lace. That helps it to blend even more. So this is what we're working with right now. I also have this other trick where I use T-pins just to pin down the wig, just so it doesn't move while you're trying to install the wig. Okay. So far, if you're finding this video helpful, do all to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already, click on the subscribe button because I'm sure you're going to love it here. On this channel we have lots of fun, travel, and I also teach you all the beauty tips, how to do your hair, makeup, and all that. Okay, this video is quite self-explanatory, but most of my subscribers always comment and say they like the voiceovers. I think they like me talking, but let me know what you guys prefer. Do you like the voiceovers, or you just prefer to watch the video and just have some background music? And yeah, so the next step is to cut your ear tabs. So when the wigs come, part of the customization is to cut the wig to fit your head, like your head size or the frame of your face and all that. Then you proceed to cut the lace. There are different methods to install wigs. You can actually glue it before cutting the excess lace, or do it just how you see me do, but either ways it works perfect. But this is the method that currently works best for me. Let me know how you install your wigs, or if you're going to try this method. So I was switching between a scissors and a brow razor, and another trick is to go in a zigzag motion. Don't cut all the way straight. Okay, and can you guys see, just because I use the powder shade, do you see how the lace blends even more to my skin? And by the end of this video, it's not even going to be looking like transparent lace, trust me. Okay, trust the process. I guess I'll rest from talking, let you guys enjoy the video, and just come back to talk when necessary. Okay, ciao. You can use either rubbing alcohol or just some alcohol wipes to clean up the excess oils or makeup or anything that is going to cause irritation to your skin. Because if you just go ahead to apply the glue without cleaning up all that excess, you might end up getting like some rashes or kind of irritations like that. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I use the Erica J Hold Me Down adhesive. So I'm going to be going in with 2 layers today. The first layer, I'm just going to go in, spread it out with my rat tail comb as you see me do. Once it's dried clear, I'm going to come back again with the second layer. Once the second layer is dried clear, you just want to pull the wig forward to the glue and just basically push the lace into the glue. And after that, you're going to see me use my rat tail comb just to press the lace down and for it to melt even more. I went back in with my rat tail comb and some glue just to ensure that all the other areas that are still lifting or didn't have glue initially, I can get to melt them down and just glue it together, if that makes sense. I don't even know what I'm explaining because you guys can see it in it. After the first initial melt, you can go in with your powder shade just to blend the lace even more, but you don't have to do this all the time. I think you can just look into your mirror, and if you see the lace is still looking a bit white, just go in with your powder shade and just blend the lace to your skin. And you also have to go from time to time to just wipe it down. Glue you use depends on how long you like your wig to last. If you want it to last like a week or two or more, then maybe you should go in with the glue and the spray. But if you just want a quick hold just for the day, a day or two, you can just go with the hairspray. I wanted my wig to stay for a while because I had like lots of things to do, so I went in with my EBIN or EBIN hairspray. Then you go in with your hair dryer in the cool setting, or you can just fluctuate from cool or warm. Then I'm going to use this headband that came with the wig, and I'll just let it sit for about 30 minutes. Then I'll be right back. This is what the lace is looking like after 30 minutes, but you can also have it on longer. Like let's say you're doing your chores in the house, you can just have the headband and just do your stuff, or maybe start doing your makeup or anything like that. But can you see the melt though? Can you see that? What? I be your mama. In Bobrisky's voice, I be your mama. Stop playing. Play with your age mates. Yeah, this is what the wig looks like. It's looking pretty decent. The lace, I think I did justice to the lace, so I'm just showing you guys what it looks like, and I'll try to figure out if I want to wear it as a middle part or a side part. You can also go ahead to just wear the wig as a free part. I also have a video, I'm going to link it down below or up on the screen, on different ways in which you can style your frontal wigs, and it was a bob wig, so do all to check it out if you want to know some style ideas or different ways in which you can style your wigs. Okay, I got you. I finally decided to go with a side part, a side swoop, because that's what the classy babes do. Okay, yeah, I really liked it as a side part. I attended my friend's birthday with this hairstyle and everybody was just complimenting. It looked really nice and beautiful. I had this wig for 2 weeks and it was really nice. To be fair, it was so good, so good. I just had to refresh it after the second week because I had it like for 2 weeks and 3 days. So I just refreshed it a little bit, used my spritz, and then that was it. Can you guys see that? Who can tell me that that's not my hair? Look at the scalp. It's giving scalp. It's giving scalp. I know you're finding this video helpful. Do well to click on the like button. It greatly helps the channel. That helps YouTube to know that people love the video and helps them to recommend it to more people. Is it just me or new hair gets you excited? There are two things that get me excited, not three: traveling, doing new hair, and shopping. I'll be so excited. So far, if you're finding this video helpful, do all to give it a thumbs up because I'm sure you like it. Share with family and friends. Boys, share with your girlfriends. Make sure everybody's hair is looking good in 2023. Don't say Minami did not help you, okay? Later, I went in with sprays, but this is just me being extra because as you can see, the lace was already melted. So you can end at this point, but I just went in with some sprays because I like the natural finishing that it gives. It helps the lace to melt even more and just give that illusion like, oh, this is scalp, this is my natural hair. If you watch up to this point, drop a white heart down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. These are the end results. Hope you liked the video because I love the hair. And do all to shop from Jolie Amina, and don't forget to tell them I sent you for 5% off. Mwah.